homeschoolers, today I'm going to share with you what we plan to use for our music classes in homeschooling. So if you're still looking for music study options that are simple and effective, this curriculum may be for you. So let's go ahead and talk about it. Also, I would like to say that I'm going to do a full flip through and overview of both of these books. So click subscribe to see when those videos are released on my channel, and that'll give you a thorough look into the pages. Also, I may share some videos of me teaching from these books as well, like a live lesson. So make sure that you stick around for more music related videos on my channel in the future. So both books are from the same company, but they have different authors. Both come from Koala Music Publishing, from their progressive line of books. One book is Music Theory and the other book is For the Recorder. Yes, that is right. Recorder as in the little flute-looking instrument that most of us used to use in the early elementary years. My girls will be learning recorder just like we did back in the day. So first, let's talk about why the recorder. Why start with a recorder of all instruments you could learn? I choose recorder as the place we will start with an instrument because one, my kids are still super young and learning with a simple instrument will be easier on them and on me. And two, recorders go well with early introductory music theory because they are so simple. And three, it's for the nostalgia if I'm keeping it honest. And the girls are beyond excited to actually learn the recorder as well. So it's what we're doing. Now, the book I chose to teach recorder is The Progressive Recorder Method for Young Beginners, book 1. I believe that there are 3 books total in this series, and as usual, I will try to link below the products in this video in the Dropbox, so you'll find this book there. This book is meant for ages preschool through 3rd grade, which makes it perfect for my children's age ranges. And the lessons in this program are step-by-step. Each lesson builds on the previous lesson, keeping everything easy to remember. And then also beyond this book, the purchase of this curriculum comes with videos to help with learning all of the lessons. This curriculum is also intended to help kids learn to read music a little bit. Now, the second book that I chose for music is The Progressive Music Theory Method for Young Beginners. And this book is intended for the same age range as the recorder book. So what is music theory? Music theory is basically a study creating the ability to understand the language of music. So this book will teach my children to read music and musical symbols, timing, other things that will have to slowly remember myself about music theory. It's been a while. Once upon a time, I was literate in reading music, and I'm confident that I will learn it again quickly. And that is part of why I'm okay with teaching music myself instead of hiring someone or sending my kids to a class, especially for introductory type lessons. Between these 2 books and the actual recorder in hand, which I have 3 one for each of us, I'm confident that my kids will be on a great path to learning and to be musically literate and able to play whatever instrument they choose in the future. If you're still looking for curriculum options for this coming school year, click one of the videos beside me to see what we use. The top video is for kindergarten and the bottom video is for 1st grade. I'll see you over there in whichever one of those videos that you choose, and have fun homeschooling.